Are you BTech or graduate fresher? Looking for a job in IT MNCs like Wipro, XYL, IBM? Join Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, the best IT recruiter company in India. Special 45 days industrial training and placement program in networking, and get placed in MNC like Wipro, XYL, IBM. Placed 3,700 plus freshers in MNC in network, cloud and security domain. Experienced trainers from corporates. 100% job guarantee. Evision provides real-time work experience and exposure, 1-year work experience, internship documents for job, modified resume as a network engineer.
Hello, my name is Nitin and I am from MP. Joining this online institute, one of the best decision which I have taken. The course starts from the basic and take you to the top level. I placed in Presto Infosolutions. Overall, Evision is the best IT platform for one who is thinking of starting their career.
Our mission to provide job in MNC. More than 1 lakh jobs in desktop and networking by 2021. Get trained and placed within 45 days in MNC like Wipro, XYL, others. Roles in networking: Technical Support Specialist, IT Support Administrator, Desktop Support Engineer, Windows System Engineer, Network Administrator, Linux System Administrator, Unix Administrator. Evision, connecting talent to opportunity. For more queries, contact the number given below or visit www.evisions.co.in.